get it all. I wanna eat the whole cake. I'm not sharing, I'm not sharing. You should have learned how to bake. Yes, I want it all, so I get it all. I wanna eat the whole cake. I'm not sharing, I'm not sharing.
You should have learned bitches love cake. Family or a porn star, humble life or sports car, live it or the whole bar. Headache for my management, gossip columns resident. Your mom and dad might hate me, but these Barbies, I'm the president. I want a girl, I get her, and I get her friend. 5 girls singing in my bed, this time my own band. They love me in my peak, but this love is fake. Every day's my birthday, this bitch is love cake.
But I want it all.
Chairs, one throne, and some fly decorations. Y'all know me, I'm hardly into trance, but I still think I'm looking kinda gnarly in the bands. I lost a couple homies, pour Bacardi in the wind, cause like Hoodie Allen to the death, I party with my friends. I swear to God, I'm high up the life. City of gods, I'm a god. Shout out the dice, American pie, as long as I got a slice. I share the rest with my team, yeah, I got it for life. Damn, so walk a mile up in my shoes, getting paid to write these stanzas and haikus. Trying to be a nice dude, but life is like high school, so you gotta fight through regardless if they like you.